We are pleased to show you the 2014 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, rear-wheel drive, inside you'll find steering wheel controls, OnStar, cruise control, cup holders, compass, console, floor mats. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. Come take a test drive today.